Shall we?
Today is one of the happiest days in our life as far as this administration is concerned. Let me commend the Commissioner of Police and his men for the wonderful job you are doing since you assumed office as the Commissioner of Police of the Federal Capital Territory. The difference is clear. Let me assure you and your men will do everything humanly possible to provide you all that you require to fight crime and criminality in this FCT. We believe that in the next few days, you will have more vehicles, you will have more communication gadgets that will enable you and your men to face these criminals. And let me assure the residents of FCT, by the support of Mr. President, we are fully prepared to take the war to them. We want to assure them to be patient and believe that the time has come. I've always said, every day is for the thief man. The next day is for the owner of the house. They have terrorized us. They were happy making news that FCT is not safe. I told them, you will die for it. And look at their faces. Who will even drink a cup of water from these people? You collect money. Look at how you are. You will be thinking that those who are terrorizing are such a huge people. Just look at them. Well, I trust the police. Make sure you train them in the best university. I like them to be well educated. Send them to Harvard University, Cambridge University, Oxford University, so they can be well trained. Since you don't want to go to school here, we'll send you to the best university in the world so that you get the best education you ever require. As I said, we will not sleep, you will not sleep. So I want to thank you for a job well done. We'll continue. Don't rest. I believe you. I know when you came to Port Harcourt as the IG monitoring thing, I know what you did. And when you were posted here, I was confident, and I'm still confident, that FCT will have a reprieve. People will begin to have confidence. And I do believe that the residents of FCT today will have more confidence in the police. We will join the public to see the police as their friends. Information is key. Without information, there's nothing they can do. And I urge you to still do more in intelligence gathering. I'm sure it is intelligence that has led to why they have been arrested. Once more, thank you very much. And let me implore the press to always report the positive things about the police and other security agencies. You see, in most cases, the only thing you hear that this has happened, but you don't know what they have done. I'm sure if they did not bring these people out now, you wouldn't know. Because their own is not to make noise. Their own is to do their job. So try and publicize positive aspects of what they are doing. Not every day negative, negative, negative. Because all of us, if FCT is not safe, you are journalists too, you can be here. So you need a safe environment for you to be able to carry out your own job. So partner with the police, you will see a lot of results will be achieved. Once more, thank you very much for this, and may God bless all of you. Now let me just give you something. You said it's remaining about 2 or 3 persons. Okay, let me put money on their head. So wherever they are, send their men out there. I'll give them 20 million naira. Go and fish them out, wherever they are. Use that money on their head. I want to see them live or dead. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.